Twisting words. Mastering inversion in conditional sentences. Hello, everyone. Today we'll be diving into an exciting aspect of English grammar: inversion in conditional sentences. This is a powerful tool you can use to make your speech and writing more formal and interesting. Don't worry if this sounds a bit confusing at first. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use and understand inversion in conditional sentences. To start, let's clarify what we mean by inversion. Inversion in English grammar happens when we change the usual word order of a sentence. Specifically, we're going to focus on inversion in conditional sentences, where we change the word order to place the auxiliary verb before the subject. Normally, a conditional sentence might look like this: if I had known, I would have come earlier. With inversion, we can make this sentence more formal and emphatic. Had I known, I would have come earlier. Notice how we swapped the positions of if and I, removing if and placing had before I. There are a few important things to remember when using inversion in conditional sentences. 1. We can use inversion with all three types of conditionals: 0, first, second, and third, but it's most common with the second and third conditionals. 2. In inversion, we usually remove if and place the auxiliary verb were, had, should before the subject. 3. We don't use inversion when the if clause includes a negative form, e.g., if I hadn't studied, I wouldn't have passed. Now that we understand the basics, let's put this knowledge into practice. We're going to rewrite sentences using inversion in conditional sentences. 1. If you were in my shoes, you would understand. Inversion: were you in my shoes, you would understand. 2. If he should arrive, tell him I'm looking for him. Inversion: should he arrive, tell him I'm looking for him. 3. If I had the money, I would travel the world. Inversion: had I the money, I would travel the world. Remember to keep practicing. The more you use inversion, the more comfortable you'll get. That's it for today's lesson on inversion in conditional sentences. Remember, inversion is a powerful tool that can help you vary your language and sound more sophisticated. It might feel a little unusual at first, but with practice, you'll start to use it naturally. I hope this video has been helpful, and until next time, keep practicing your English.